This is the continuation of journal and closing journal entries. So the next entry is for assets which are taken over by partners. Okay, so in that case, partners capital account to realization account. So let me explain this. So when assets taken over by the company, we are going to pass this journal entry. When assets which are not taken over by the company, for that the partnership firm is going to sell it. For this we are going to pass this entry, realization cash or bank account to asset account. When in case when assets which are taken over by partners, so individually the partner is taking those assets, in such case that has to be debited to partners capital account to realization account. Okay, let's discuss this here. Let's say this building is not taken over by a firm, which is not sold by the partnership firm, but this is taken over by A. He is a partner, which is taken over by A. In such case, we are going to pass this entry. So A account debited to realization account. How much? 10,000. Got it? So A account debited to building account, realization account, that is 10,000 rupees. So here A is taking over this building. So that's the reason we are going to pass this journal entry. Then the next, for the liabilities, okay, the ninth entry, liabilities which are taken over by partners. Then realization account to partner account. Okay, so it's just opposite to this entry. So let's say here this creditor is not taken over by X Limited, and this is not even paid by the AB partnership firm. It is taken over by, let's say, B. So in such case, the realization account to B's account. When liabilities are taken over by the partner, we need to pass this journal entry. So hope you got this journal entry. Then after ninth entry, you are not going to pass journal entries. Before that, you are going to open a realization account to know whether the firm earned realization profit or realization loss. So in this point, you are going to open the realization account. Okay, and see whether you have profit on realization or profit on loss on realization. So on 9th point, make an realization account in the working note. Then the 10th entry, In case if you are having realization profit, that has to be shown in the partner's capital account. Even if you have a loss, that also you need to show it in the partner's account. Let's say if there is a profit in realization account, let's say in case of profit, after closing this realization account, we got profit that has to be transferred to partner's capital account. Realization account to partner's account. Partner's capital account. In case of loss also, partner's capital account to realization account. So we transferred the profit or loss to partner's account. I'll just show you the example here. See here. If you see this side, yes, there was a profit. So this side is more and this side is less. That profit has to be distributed among the partners. So what is the journal entry? Realization account to partners capital account. So they are closing this realization account. If profit or loss, they are going to transfer it to capital account. When credit side is more than debit side, you will be having profit. When debit side is more than credit side, you will be having loss. That loss has to be shown on this side and the profit has to be shown on this side. Hope you got this. So now after this, because this is all belongs to the partners, that's the reason we are transferring this to partners account. Then the next, in case any reserve is there in any reserve or profit in balance sheet, that is again belongs to the partners, that we need to transfer it to partners capital account. If any profit, undistributed profit, reserves, reserve, that should be transferred to partners capital account. The partners capital account, because that is belongs to partners capital, partners. So any profit or any reserve in balance sheet, partners capital account. Okay, I will show you the example. So here, if you see, we transferred all this. We transferred all the assets and all the liabilities. Now we have only these four, right? The left one. So here we have a reserve fund. This belongs to partner, that we are going to close it by transferring it to partner's capital account. Okay, if there is any profit in the balance sheet, that is also belongs to the partners. We close that account by transferring it to partner's account. Let's say if profit and loss is there on asset side, This means there is a loss since long time, that we are going to transfer it to again to partners account as a loss. Okay, so we transferred this also to partners capital account. So we closed all assets and these two liabilities. Still we have to close this and these two. Okay, then next, the next journal entry is for if any payment, if there is any partner's loan in the balance sheet that has to be paid. That is entry number 12. Payment of partner's loan. So partners loan account to bank account. So here if you see in this example, there is a loan of rupees 2000. This loan is taken by the firm from one of the partner. Okay, the 2000 loan is taken by the firm from a partner, so that the partnership is going to pay. So this is the entry. So they are paying this loan 2000 rupees to partners loan account to bank account. So we closed this part of this liability also by paying them. So we have only these two, so that we are going to transfer it to, this is a closing balance of A and closing balance of B, which is in the balance sheet, that we have to transfer it to capital account. Okay, so this also we will for this we already know how to pass. So we will transfer that to these two to partners capital account. So these are opening balance in the partners capital account. So no need to pass any entries regarding this. And the next and last entry, we already closed the balance sheet by transferring all these assets to realization account. All the outsider, we have only one outsider liability account, that we transferred it to realization account, then we closed it. And this loan, the partnership firm paid this loan also, and this we transferred it to partners capital. And these are again the closing capital of X partnership firm, that we transferred it to partners account. Okay, so now the last entry for distribution. Distribution of cash shares into partners. For distribution, so, distribution of cash shares in case if firm is receiving through debentures, that also distributed among partners. Partners capital account to cash to shares to debentures. So this has to be distributed. The cash has to be distributed to partners in their capital ratio or profit and loss ratio as per the given in the question, and even shares debenture has to be distributed in the ratio which is given in the as per the given information in the question. Okay, so these are the journal entries. I'll repeat quickly all these journal entries. So remember, the first entry is for transferring all the assets which are taken over by the company. So where we are going to transfer it to realization account. And the same thing with liabilities. The liabilities which are taken over by a company, those liabilities we are going to transfer it to realization account. And this is the PC due, purchase consideration due entry. So from whom the purchase consideration is due? Here from purchasing company, the purchase consideration is due. So that's the reason we are debiting the purchasing company account and crediting it to realization account. Then, so this purchase consideration will be discharged in any form, in any of this form. So the purchase consideration can be discharged in cash or in shares or in debentures. So that is the entry for this. So the fourth entry is for in what form the purchase consideration is discharged by the purchasing company. So that details we are showing in this journal entry. And the next entry is for if there is any realization expenses paid by the firm, that we need to pass in again through realization account, that is realization account to cash or bank account. Then the next entry, the assets which are not taken over by the company. So which are not taken over by the company but which are sold by the firm. So cash or bank account to assets account. When there is a profit, that profit or loss, if there is a profit or loss, that has to be transferred to realization account. So if the firm is selling that asset more than book value, then it's a profit. That profit has to be shown in the realization account. If firm is selling that particular asset which is not taken over by the company under the book value, less than book value, then that is loss for the firm. So that loss again we need to transfer it to realization account. Okay, and same with liabilities. The liabilities which are not taken over by a company, so that is paid by firm. So liabilities account debited to cash or bank account. If we are transferring any loss or profit to realization account. Suppose here if firm is paying more, then that is loss. That loss has to be transferred to realization account. If firm is paying less than the book value, that is profit. That profit has to be transferred to the realization account. Then the next, assets which are taken over by partners. Okay, for this we have to pass this entry. When assets are taken over by partners, so partners capital account to realization account. Same with liabilities. When any liabilities taken over by partner, we are passing this journal entry through again realization account. Stop and make realization account. If you are getting profit, you need to transfer it to partners capital account by passing this journal entry. If you are getting loss, then again you need to transfer that loss to partners capital account, that is by passing this entry. In case of loss, pass this entry. In case of profit, you need to pass this entry. Then the next entry, for transferring any reserves in balance sheet, if you find any reserves, profit that is belongs to the partner, you need to close these accounts by transferring it to partner's capital account. Then these are the this is for payment of partner's loan account. In case of any payment, any loan is there in balance sheet from partners, that loan has to be cleared by the firm by paying it off. So here firm is paying a loan account, so that we need to pass this entry for that. And the last entry, the distribution entry. So whatever purchase consideration a firm is getting from a company, that purchase consideration in form of cash, shares or in debenture, that cash, shares, debenture has to be distributed among the partners in their capital ratio or P&L ratio, profit and loss ratio, according to the information given in the question. Okay, so these are the journal entries. Hope this is just keep on practicing. It will be easy for you to pass all these journal entries.